Hello world. I'm in between tarot readings and I won't smoke while I read tarot, so I'm going to talk to you instead. Let's talk about Halloween. So Halloween is the time of thin gauntlet. And I'm not going to go into the history and shit. I'm just going to tell you the facts that I perceive anyway. We are the closest to the spirit world around Halloween of any other point of the year. I'm not sure metaphysically why. I'm sure I can figure it out if I went into the astrology of it, but it is the time we're closest to the dead and the spirits. So those who have passed on, those who have not been born, it's easier to interact with our spirit guides, any consciousness that's not corporal. So take advantage of Halloween. Talk to your old friends that have passed on. Find your way to your new friends that are just not physical bodies. If you're doing any type of interdimensional work, dimensional vibrations are going to be also the same thing. So it's the same exact shit. It's closer than you'd normally be able to access it. The gauntlet or the wall between worlds is thinner right now. So you might be having more prophetic dreams, might be visited by spirits in your dreams. Everything is just a little bit more magical this time of year. So enjoy. That's my message for right now, and I'm going to get back to my readings.